Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will be discussing the top 10 reasons why engines experience horsepower loss at high speeds. 1. Aerodynamic drag. The resistance caused by the air against the vehicle as it moves forward increases with speed, causing the engine to work harder to maintain the same speed, resulting in a loss of horsepower. 2. Engine heat. At high speeds, the engine generates more heat, causing it to work harder to cool down, which results in a decrease in horsepower. 3. Tire pressure. Underinflated tires can cause more friction and resistance against the road, leading to a loss of horsepower. 4. Engine compression. As the engine revs up, the internal pressure within the engine cylinders increases. 4. At high speeds, the engine may not be able to maintain this compression, resulting in a loss of power. 5. Fuel delivery. As speed increases, the engine requires more fuel to maintain power. 5. If the fuel delivery system is not functioning correctly, it may not provide the required fuel, leading to a decrease in horsepower. 6. Engine maintenance. Regular engine maintenance, such as oil changes and spark plug replacements, is essential for keeping the engine running smoothly. 6. Neglecting maintenance can lead to a loss of horsepower. 7. Weight. The heavier the vehicle, the harder the engine has to work to maintain speed, resulting in a decrease in horsepower. 8. Transmission. If the transmission is not functioning correctly, it may not be able to transfer the engine's power to the wheels efficiently, leading to a loss of horsepower. 9. Altitude. At higher altitudes, the air is thinner, causing a decrease in oxygen levels, which can lead to a loss of horsepower. 10. Engine size. Smaller engines may not have the power output to maintain high speeds for extended periods, resulting in a decrease in horsepower. These are the top 10 reasons why engines experience horsepower loss at high speeds. By keeping these factors in mind and maintaining your vehicle correctly, you can help to mitigate any horsepower loss and ensure your engine runs at its optimum level. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.